I'm Cathy Taub with Sotheby's International Realty, and don't move your seat because you're about to see the most incredibly super chic, sophisticated mansion on the Upper West Side. This is not an ordinary townhouse. This is a mansion. It's nearly 40 feet wide, and in Manhattan, width of a house really matters. This house was designed by Clarence True, who was one of the great architects of his day in 1898. And in fact, he designed the houses on this street, and this one is undisputably the star of the show. Upon entering through the double glass doors, you come into a beautiful gallery which has original but restored oak wainscoting, gorgeous fireplace. The whole rear of the house has been sheared, letting in incredible sunshine all day long. That's a really unusual feature in New York City. And that's just the beginning. There's so much to show you, so let's get started. Let's go upstairs. Here on the parlor level, we have living room, dining room, and kitchen. Here in the living room, we have an elegant yet comfortable environment with smoked oak plank floors laid in a herringbone pattern, a wood-burning fireplace with marble surround, and stained glass doors which lead to a Juliet balcony with views of Riverside Park. And I love the 10-foot ceilings which create a great volume of space in this environment, and this little nook where you can mix your drinks and mix your music. I really love the flow of this floor. It really highlights the width of this mansion. How great are these mirrored pocket glass doors? Perfect for entertaining, and you can create privacy. And here we are in this classic but contemporary dining room. The dining room features restored oak beam ceilings, incredible natural light, and twin custom designed chandeliers, which are really exceptionally gorgeous. And one of my favorite features of the dining room are these adorable stained glass medallions depicting the astrological signs. Welcome to the kitchen, which is modern and exceptionally functional. The design features take center stage, starting with an oversized bespoke island clad with a Jurassic brownstone countertop. Custom metalwork adorns the sides. The kitchen workspaces are finished with elegant Calicotta countertops and flanked with leather-clad cabinetry. And my favorite feature is definitely this charming terrace with the floor-to-ceiling casement windows. It's the perfect place for morning coffee or late afternoon aperitif. The principal suite is truly something special and occupies the entire third floor. It features a sitting room with yet another fireplace, huge picture windows, and this bay window where you can just sit, read, relax, or take in the views of the bucolic Riverside Park across the way. The suite also features a huge closet and a bright bathroom with privacy glass. Oh, and that's not all. There are just a few other places I want to show you. On the fourth floor, we have the 3 guest bedroom suites, and up here on the 5th and penthouse levels, we have the entertainment areas. The entertainment levels feature a generous 1,200-bottle climate-controlled wine cellar, and adjacent is your own gym equipped with everything for a great workout. And when you're done sweating it out, you can come up here and unwind by playing some serious table tennis or watching your favorite NBC programming. Finally, upstairs is the Penthouse Suite, an entirely new floor the owners added when they renovated, perfect for lounging inside and outside on your south-facing terrace. At nearly 40 feet wide and 6 stories tall, this absolutely spectacular mansion is the crown jewel of the Upper West Side. I hope you've enjoyed this tour as much as I have. Thanks for coming.
There's even more stunning homes and designs just waiting for you. Come on in, the water's fine. Like and subscribe because a lot of these homes have spectacular pools.